Assalamualaikum and very good day. My name is Amirul bin Anwar and my metric number is H19B0048. I hope everyone who watched this video is doing well. Today I would like to make a vlog video about the traditional food. I will make a vlog at home since I can't go out because of the pandemic COVID-19. So let's go. Today I'm going to make vlog video about chicken rendang. The ingredients for the rendang paste are leaf turmeric, ginger, dried chili, red chili, galangal, garlic and lemongrass. The other ingredients are chicken, kerisik, coconut milk, asam keping and turmeric leaf. The rendang paste is prepared by blending ginger, galangal, lemongrass and chili with a small amount of water. These are the basic components of any rendang paste, and some recipes include onion and garlic as well. Cut the ginger into small pieces. It is easier to blend it into a paste. Choose young galangal because it is more suitable to blend. Cut off the hard surface and slice it into thin slices or cut into small cubes. Rendang is not fiercely hot dish, but yet it needs plenty of chilies to prepare. In making rendang, we want the flavor of the chilies, not only to get the feeling of hotness. Now, put all the ingredients into a food processor with a little water and blend it until it becomes a fine paste. Add a little more water if it is insufficient to bring the ingredient turning in a circular motion. Transfer the rendang paste to the pan with some cooking oil. Serve over low heat until it turns aromatic. Then add the kerisik and let it simmer for a few minutes. Next step is add the chicken. Add the coconut milk, water and simmer on medium heat, stirring frequently until the chicken is almost cooked. The final step is to add turmeric leaf. Let it simmer for another few minutes and it is ready to serve. Finally, here is our chicken rendang. So let's eat. The chicken rendang feels so delicious and it has a unique taste which is a little bit spicy. Rendang is usually served at ceremonial occasions to honor guests during festive events such as wedding feast and Hari Raya. Rendang not only you can eat with ketupat or lemang but also you can eat with rice. I would like to recommend it to those who never tried this traditional food yet. So that's all from me. Thank you and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Stay safe and I see you next time.